morning, you guys. Welcome back to our channel. The lighting in here is awful because this morning I opened up all the blinds and like the windows to let the fresh air in. So the sun is just beaming through the windows right now. You like the fresh air? Frank's over here sitting on the duvet that I need to put on the bed because I washed all the sheets, but Julia said it would be the worst thing that ever happened to her if we put this on the other night. So the past 2 nights we've slept with it off, which needs to be fixed, right, honey guy? Harbor's new favorite word is buh now. He hasn't been saying mama as much, which is kind of sad. I kind of want you to say mama, not buh. He's also been saying baba, which I think he is talking about his bottle because that's what we've been calling that. But I have monumental news, you guys. Like, the best news. Last night was the first night that I slept through the night without having to wake up to feed Harbor or pump. It was amazing. Yeah, it was amazing. It was so nice. I slept a full 7 hours without waking up or anything. Julia woke up with him like once or twice when he did wake up, so thank goodness for her. Usually I've had to wake up to pump, but I'm weaning my breast milk right now, and it was amazing to not have to wake up to pump because I've been doing that for the past 7 months. That was amazing! I'm going to try and tidy up the room a little bit before this little one goes down for a nap, and we'll see where the day takes us, right? Dolly? Dolly, you want your toy? That's as good as it's gonna get for right now. I'll have to have Julia help me with the duvet cover. Yeah, see, it's too hard to do for one girl alone. Especially when this guy is talking up a storm. Oh no. I can't remember if I said or not, but Julia is getting ready, so. Yeah, mommy's getting ready. She's almost done. She looks so pretty.
Don't do that.
Here's my pretty wifey.
For you and you only.
Babe.
Not really, I don't know.
Yeah, they said please show a close-up of Julia's butt in the beginning of the video.
Trust me, no one said that.
Yeah, here she is, everybody, in all her glory. She's back, and she's back to help me with the duvet cover. You're looking cute today. Look at you. Mommy, sorry. Mommy, sorry. Mommy, sorry. Can you help me put the duvet cover on now?
Yes, but here's the thing.
Oh gosh.
When you were making a fuss about it on your Instagram,
okay.
Someone DM'd me saying to look up on YouTube or some sort of rolling method that makes it a lot easier.
Okay.
I've tried a lot of different methods, and I haven't heard of a rolling method that I'm willing to try. This ingenious duvet cover trick will change your life. 10 million views. All right. Okay. Let's step number 1. This part.
Should this be inside out?
Inside out.
Yeah.
What's inside out?
I don't know. Like this.
Oh, I don't know. I skipped over it.
I love how she doesn't want to put the duvet cover on because it's such a hassle, but then she'll watch a 10-minute video and then make us try a new
the one
trick.
time, and then after that, maybe it'll be easier. You're right. It is supposed to be inside out.
Great, it's okay. Oh, that was my workout for the day. Much better. After getting the duvet cover on, I wanted to try and hydrate because that was kind of my workout for like the month, the year. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm sure you guys saw when I was trying to clean up the room, you saw me reach over and grab an old cup that had been sitting on my nightstand. That was from like 2 nights ago, and I was trying to chug it, and it's just like, I have a hard time getting enough water, which I feel like most people do. So I'm going to quick make a hydrant drink. If you guys haven't heard of Hydrant, they are a wellness brand, so they have a bunch of different stuff. I'm gonna make the rapid hydration drink mix. I'm gonna do the lime today. I think that one will be good. They have a lot of different stuff, so like hydration, mental well-being. I have the caffeine one, which is good if you just need a little pick-me-up, you know what I'm saying? Immunity, which is super important right now, and then one with no sugar, and then one for sleep. So the one that I'm doing right now is designed to hydrate you faster. It has basically the benefits of a sports drink, but it doesn't have like the calories, the sugar. If you're like me and you've had a little bit too many glasses of wine the night before, this is perfect, or if you just had a workout. And then in each packet, there's 3 times more electrolytes than a sports drink, so that's amazing. There's no synthetic colors, stevia, artificial sweeteners, and it's made with real fruit juice powder. The other one that I use a lot is the Immunity. This one is lemon ginger. This has more vitamin C than 9 oranges. Like, how do they do that? This is the essentials kit, so this will allow you to like try stuff out, see what you like best, see what flavors you like. These are great because I can throw them in my purse. You can throw them in like a diaper bag, or if you're traveling, these are amazing. If you guys want to check out Hydrant, you can get the new essentials kit, which is amazing, and the cute little water bottle. I will leave the link in our description if you want to check it out, and it's only $20 if you use that. Thanks so much to Hydrant for sponsoring today's video. I have been loving them. I do not drink enough water, so this is really amazing for me.
Harbor's like so close to sleeping through the night. I think you were just talking about that, right? Yeah, so the problem with it though is now he wakes up to eat My tongue is blue, I was just eating a Dum Dum. He wakes up to eat at like 5:30 a.m. So it's great because it's like a huge stretch of time that he goes, because he goes to bed at like 7 and then wakes up at 5:30. So that's a huge stretch, but then that means that he's pretty much awake since 5:30, because it's really hard to get him to just go back down for only an hour at that point. So what that means for me is I have less time to work out. And Abby knows how irritated I get about that, don't you, babe?
What, are you gonna get a quick workout in right now?
I'm just gonna show them the story.
Okay. The weights look pretty small on there.
Doesn't it look fun?
You just woke up your son from talking in here. Hurry, 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 go, 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 go. I just saw that Karen and Kwa posted their gender reveal, so I gotta find the remote and watch it. It'll probably be really behind when you see this video, but I've been so excited. Like, if they have another boy, I don't know if you guys watch KK and Baby J, but if they have another boy, I will be shook. I got goosebumps already. Anyone else just love like when other like family channels get pregnant? It's just so fun. Anyway, I'm gonna watch this, and I won't say in the video what it is just in case you guys haven't seen it, but let's see. All I'm gonna say is I'm shook. That's all I'm gonna say.
Harper has something he really wants to say. Doesn't Harper look so cute with a comb over? Yeah. My favorite looks that we do for him, little comb over. He looks so handsome. Like a distinguished gentleman. So I had this idea for my Instagram for a picture. I don't know if you guys have seen, like, when people will recreate pictures from their childhood. Usually it's like a mother and child or something like that, like doing like some silly pose. Anyway, there's a picture from my childhood where I'm wearing a Girl Scouts vest, and I still have that vest. I don't know why. Somehow I just like kept it all these years, and so it's sitting in the basement. So I thought it would be funny if I recreate it holding that vest. I just pulled up. First of all, do you like this view?
What? I'm taking a picture.
I was trying to smack your butt. I pulled up my camera roll to just find that picture, the before picture, and I found, I don't know, do you guys do this? Where you just like randomly accidentally take pictures of your childhood?
Oh no.
But I accidentally took this picture apparently today.
Of your childhood?
I meant child. My brain is like all over the place. I don't know how I took this picture of Harper today. It's a really nice picture of him. He looks great in it.
I actually have a funny picture too. Hold on. Yesterday morning, Harper woke up so grumpy, and oftentimes looking at himself in the phone and taking selfies cheers him up. Really, but this was the picture that he took. He looks so mad. And then I'm in the back like, so funny.
Okay, while we're like showing pictures of Harper, I'm sorry, you guys are probably like, okay, get to it, stop showing pictures of Harper. But I took this picture the other day when he was supposed to be going to bed at night, and we had gone in there several times and put him to bed. He's fast asleep, and then we close the door, and then all of a sudden he's talking to himself and playing with, he'll do this thing where he'll take his binky out and just run it along the side of their crib. He thinks it's so funny, the noise it makes. Anyway, this is a picture that I took of him when I went in there to try and get him, and he was just rolling around giggling really hard. Boyfriend don't like to sleep.
Are you gonna show them the picture of
No, I told them they have to go to my Instagram to see it.
No, you should just show them the picture of you as a kid, and then they have to see the recreation.
Alright, fine.
We'll put it here.
There it is. You don't have to keep looking at pictures on my phone. Why are we doing this? We know how to edit a video. You don't have to.
It's fine, it's fine.
This is kind of sad. Apparently I never finished my triangle
Baby.
circle thing.
Maybe this one can be giving your wife a kiss.
Are you gonna make a little patch for me?
Yeah, and it'll be me like this.
Oh, that's romantic. Apparently I got a patch for going to the movies.
What the heck? Wow. What's this?
So, donate to save a life? Maybe donate blood? I don't know.
Okay, let me do your hair and pigtails. Is this gonna fit you?
I don't know. We'll see.
Getting a little bit of weight since then. Pigtails are 2 of them.
Yeah, like right here. Think about it, Harper. Oh, jeez, you're pulling tight.
Oh, sorry.
Harper, do I look silly?
He's like, what the?
He's like, oh
yeah, that looks good. We gotta figure out how to get this smirk too. Looking good. Now we gotta get the picture. What do you think?
Okay, I look good.
You look so good.
This is the wall that we use to take. I look crazy right now. You know who I look like? What's her name? Darla from Finding Nemo.
Oh my gosh, you do look like her. In front of the wall. The facial struck thing isn't right.
Oh my god, that looks bad, babe. That looks bad. I can't post that on.
Why?
I look bad.
No, it's funny. Alright, she thinks she got it.
I gotta take my hair out of these pigtails
Oh my
before I have a
gosh.
panic attack.
Oh gosh. What do you think of your mom's picture? Think it turned out cute? Maybe that vest will fit you. I'm like really excited to like figure out what kind of thing like Harper's gonna be into. Like, are you gonna be into like basketball, karate? Are you gonna play an instrument? What's gonna be your thing? Is mommy scared? Oh no! He's been like growling at the dogs, like going, it's so funny. now taking a midday bath because, you know, that happens. Are you taking a tubby? Are you having so much fun in there? Yeah. I know. You want to get washed?
Alright, you guys.
There we go. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Well, we're probably now gonna have to shampoo the rug in his bedroom. You okay now? It's okay. You're all dressed. I think he got cold because I didn't like let him sit in there for very long. It's okay, honey. You wanna go snuggle and watch something? That was hard, huh? It's okay. Mommies are always here to help.
Alright, we're gonna snuggle with our boy and cheer him up, aren't we?
Yes.
I was already ready to go. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Harvey say thanks for watching.